Lesson 8.2, Write Equations. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to create equations from actual scenarios and real-world problems. In example 1, they want you to turn that information into an equation. If you read it carefully, they're saying an orange and a cup of juice are 210 calories. The fact that it says are 210, that's pretty much telling you it equals to that. And you have to kind of conclude if you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, using the keywords. Now, if you read it carefully, they're saying that an orange is 90 calories, so we know our first number. And then we don't know the juice, so we can just call it J. That's our variable. And there's your equation. 90 plus J is 210. And in example 2, you're going to see that it says Lake Arrowhead State Park has 3 less hiking trails, which pretty much implies you're subtracting 3 from Irwin Park. If you keep reading, you'll notice we still don't know what Irwin Park is, like what its value is, so you would just call it E for Irwin. Make sure you don't capitalize it, because in math we only capitalize in certain occasions, and I'll elaborate a bit on that more later. And then they're telling you that Lake Arrowhead Park has 5 hiking trails, so that's what it equals to. So Irwin Park minus 3 equals 5. And in the third example, they're saying that 7 tickets to the Children's Museum cost $35. If I want to know how much it costs for one, well, we'd have to think backwards before we actually solve it. You would do 7 tickets times T. The price per ticket equals $35. That would be your equation right there. And the final example, they're saying that ground beef is being divided into 4 burgers. So it's like saying beef divided by 4 gives you the number of ounces per burger, equals to 6. So that was a pretty straightforward problem. Now, do not panic. I know it looks like a fraction, but remember, if you go back to the very first 6 weeks, that is the same as division. The numerator divided by the denominator. And as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel for access to more educational videos.